Hello everyone, welcome to our Tech Helpline channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how to add friends on BeReal. If you want to add friends on BeReal, then it's quite simple. The first step would be opening the BeReal app and make sure you're logged in. And once you're inside your main homepage, you can see two-person icon at the left top corner. Click that icon. Then when this page opens up, you will see three options down in the bottom, which are Suggestions, Friends and Requests. If you tap on Suggestions, you will able to see the profiles of friends of people you are friends on BeReal. If you tap on the Friends option, your BeReal friends will be displayed. On this My Friends tab, along with your contacts available on phone will also be shown on this page. In my case, I don't have any BeReal friends, so it's showing 0 over here. You can invite some friends you would like to add via your phone contact by tapping the invite button right next to a contact. If you tap on the request button at the bottom right, you'll be able to see any request from the person that would want to add you on BeReal. To discover new friends, you can type in the name of the contact on the top of the screen, where you can see the search box and you will able to see search results that matches your search. Simply tap on the add button in order to add the friend to your BeReal account. You can also go to homepage of BeReal app and tap on discovery and scroll from the discovery page and find any contact you would like to add. Tap on the name or the profile pic of the person and tap on the add button to add to send a friend request and add a person on BeReal. By this way, you can add friends on BeReal. Hope this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.